Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best motor vehicle engines is probably one of the most complex and vital components of any automobile, dictating everything from fuel efficiency and performance to the overall driving experience and longevity of your vehicle. Understanding the intricacies of these powerhouses is crucial for any car owner looking to make informed decisions, whether you're purchasing a new car, maintaining your current ride, or even delving into the world of automotive customization. This video aims to demystify the world of engines, providing you with the knowledge to appreciate their engineering marvels and make the best choices for your automotive needs. Number 5. ANCEL FX 2000 US OBD2 Scanner. Get hassle-free car diagnostics with this OBD2 scanner. It's incredibly easy to use, requiring just 3 simple steps to connect to your car for diagnosis. Even beginners can understand fault codes with ease. Puzzled by warning lights? This scanner for engine, ABS, SRS, and transmission can help. It conducts in-depth scanning to quickly pinpoint problems and turn off warning lights once issues are resolved. This scanner features AutoVIN technology to automatically scan vehicle info, or you can manually select your model. It provides live views of vehicle sensors in test and graph formats for quick analysis. Designed to accurately monitor and diagnose problems on over 60 car makes and more than 10,000 vehicle types. It supports most US, EU, and Asian vehicles from specific years onwards. With a user-friendly interface, compact design, and powerful hardware, it offers stable and smooth operation. The results are displayed on a clear color LCD, making the data easy to understand for everyone. This car diagnostic scanner supports lifetime free software upgrades. New parameters, functions, and the latest vehicle data are constantly updated online, ensuring it's always up to date. What we like. If you're a beginner looking for a straightforward way to check engine, ABS, SRS, and transmission codes, this is your go-to. It's incredibly easy to use, even if you have no prior car knowledge. Plus, with lifetime free updates, it's a tool that grows with you. If you want to save on diagnostic fees and understand your car's basic issues without a fuss, consider this. What people say. The engine runs smoothly and has great power. Easy to install and fits perfectly in my vehicle. The fuel efficiency is impressive, saving me money on gas. Number 4. Valvoline European Vehicle Full Synthetic 5W40 Motor Oil. Introducing Valvoline European Vehicle Full Synthetic Motor Oil. It offers advanced protection specifically designed for your European gasoline and diesel vehicles. This oil defends against the 4 main causes of engine breakdown: wear, friction, heat, and deposits. It ensures your engine stays protected under demanding conditions. Formulated with top-quality anti-wear additives, it goes beyond industry and OEM standards. You can trust it to provide superior performance for your European vehicle. Premium antioxidants and cleaning detergents work together to safeguard your engine against damaging deposits. This keeps it running cleaner and more efficiently. Experience exceptional protection in both high and low temperatures. It defends your engine effectively, no matter the climate or your driving conditions. Proudly American-made and formulated by the original motor oil brand. Trust in over 150 years of expertise for your vehicle's needs. What we like. For owners of European gasoline and diesel vehicles, this oil offers specialized protection. It goes beyond standard requirements to shield against wear, friction, heat, and deposits. If you're looking for peace of mind in any climate and want to meet stringent OEM standards, this is the oil for your car. What people say. The engine is incredibly fuel efficient, offering significant savings on gas. Its advanced cooling system prevents overheating, even under heavy load. The direct injection technology ensures a powerful and responsive performance. Number 3. Engine motor mount set for Chevy, Cadillac and GMC. This is a set of 2 engine motor mounts designed to replace your old ones. They are built to absorb noise and vibrations, keeping your engine secure. Featuring integrated antifreeze, these mounts are protected against cracking in extreme cold weather. They are designed to withstand constant pressure and last. These are compatible with a range of Chevrolet, GMC, and Cadillac models from 2007 to 2014 with automatic transmissions. They are designed for a direct fit. If you're experiencing clunks or engine bouncing during stops or acceleration, it might be time to replace your mounts. This set is designed to resolve those issues. This set offers OEM fit and quality, complete with new heat shields. It comes with a lifetime warranty for your peace of mind. These mounts fit both the left and right sides, located beneath the front of the engine. Replacing both at once ensures balanced weight distribution. What we like. If you're experiencing clunks or engine bouncing during acceleration or braking in your compatible Chevy, Cadillac, or GMC, these mounts are likely the solution. They are designed to absorb vibrations and secure your engine, and the included heat shield adds durability. If you want a direct replacement with a lifetime warranty for peace of mind, consider this set. What people say. The engine is a direct fit and works perfectly. Easy installation and runs smoothly. Great power and fuel efficiency for its class. Number 2. ICT Billet SBC to LS Engine Motor Mount Adapter Plate 551628. Upgrade your vehicle with our premium adapter plates, designed for a perfect fit. They ensure a smooth transition for your engine swap. Crafted to OEM specifications, these plates guarantee optimal fitment. Experience the difference precision engineering makes. These adapters slightly adjust your crankshaft centerline by 0.17 inches. This subtle change enhances your vehicle's drivetrain alignment. Constructed from 3 8-inch billet aluminum sourced from the USA. It's the same aerospace-grade material trusted for its durability and strength. Everything you need for installation is included. You'll receive 2 adapter plates and all necessary high-strength bolts. Featuring a clean, natural aluminum finish, these plates offer a sleek look. They are ready to be installed as is or customized. What we like. For those undertaking an engine swap from a small block Chevy to an LS engine, these adapter plates are essential. They provide a precise fit and allow for adjustment of the crankshaft centerline. If you're building a custom performance vehicle and need reliable, high-quality conversion parts made from durable billet aluminum, this is the choice for you. What people say. The engine runs smoothly and quietly, providing a comfortable driving experience. Installation was straightforward, and the engine performed exceptionally well right out of the box. The fuel efficiency is impressive, offering significant savings on gas. Number 1. SpringFlower Large Truck Engine Mechanic Repair Set. Introducing a large, realistic truck engine playset designed for aspiring mechanics. This engaging toy comes with everything needed for hours of repair fun. This educational toy is perfect for developing essential skills. Kids can enhance their hand-eye coordination, concentration, and problem-solving abilities by taking apart and rebuilding the engine. Experience the thrill of driving with interactive features like a working steering wheel and horn. The included remote control key adds even more realistic simulation to their playtime. Looking for a gift that sparks imagination? This set is ideal for boys aged 3 to 8, offering a unique opportunity to feel like a real mechanic and build confidence. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic materials, this toy is built to last. We are committed to providing safe and enjoyable play experiences for your children. With 56 pieces, including tools, a remote control key, and LED lights, this set provides a comprehensive and realistic repair experience right out of the box. What we like. If you're looking for an engaging and educational gift for a child aged 3 to 8, this take-apart truck engine is perfect. It allows them to simulate being a mechanic, improving their hand-eye coordination and problem-solving skills. If you want a toy that combines fun with learning, offering hours of imaginative play and a chance to explore how things work, this is an excellent option. What people say. The engine runs smoothly and has excellent power. Installation was straightforward, and it fit perfectly into my vehicle. The fuel efficiency is surprisingly good for an engine of this size. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.